Today, we're diving into the brand new Motorola Razr 50 Ultra. Let's see if this flip phone deserves a spot in your pocket. Motorola is back with a bold, pocket-friendly design, amazing features, and an intelligent external display. Let's break it down. First up, the display. Motorola has done a great job here by featuring two gorgeous displays. The main screen is a 6.9-inch foldable POLED display with a resolution of 2640 by 1080 and a refresh rate of up to 165 Hz. It supports HDR10, offers a 10-bit color depth, and a peak brightness of 3000 nits, ensuring vibrant colors and clarity. The screen is incredibly smooth, with a touch rate of 220 Hz for daily use and up to 300 Hz in game mode. The external display, at 4 inches, is the largest on any flip phone, with a 1272 by 1080 resolution. This display allows you to respond to messages, check notifications, take selfies, and even preview directions without flipping open the phone. Talking about the design, Motorola has designed the Razr 50 Ultra to be both eye-catching and functional. It comes with a vegan leather back, a durable Corning Gorilla Glass Victus front, and a high-strength aluminum frame. The pocketable form factor brings a nostalgic yet modern feel, and the phone is easy to carry and use. Now, let's talk cameras. The Razr 50 Ultra is equipped with a powerful 50-megapixel main camera, featuring optical image stabilization and instant all-pixel focus for fast, accurate shots. The camera's ultra-high resolution captures clear, detailed photos, even in low light. You also get a 32-megapixel front camera for sharp selfies, complete with AI enhancements. It's a solid choice for quick snapshots, but remember, foldables like this aren't meant to replace high-end photography phones. Overall, the Razr 50 Ultra does well. Take a moment to look at the colors. The Razr 50 Ultra comes in a variety of striking colors to suit different styles. Choose from Pantone Peach Fuzz, Spring Green, Midnight Blue, or go bold with Hot Pink. Each color is designed to make a statement and add personality to your device. Let's not forget the battery. Powering the Razr 50 Ultra is a 4000 mAh battery, enough for a full day's use. When it's time to recharge, Motorola's TurboPower 45W charging gives you a full day's power in about 12 minutes. The phone also supports 15W wireless charging for added convenience, and even 5W reverse charging to top up other devices if needed. Performance-wise, the Razr 50 Ultra comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip paired with 12GB of RAM, making it smooth and fast for daily tasks. This combination offers exceptional performance, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or using AI-powered applications. The processor also supports advanced AI models, enabling smarter features throughout the phone. With up to 12GB of additional virtual RAM through RAM Boost, the phone adapts to intensive usage for a lag-free experience. Let's talk about storage. With 512GB of internal UFS 4.0 storage, the Razr 50 Ultra has ample space for all your apps, photos, and media files. It also includes Google One integration with a 3-month plan offering 2TB of storage, giving you even more room to back up and manage your content. The audio experience provided by the Razr 50 Ultra is immersive. With dual stereo speakers enhanced by Dolby Atmos, it delivers spatial sound that adapts to your surroundings. The Razr 50 Ultra holds high durability to handle the real world. With Corning Gorilla Glass Victus on the exterior, an IPX8 rating for water resistance, this phone is made to last. Moto AI powers a range of intelligent features that enhance your experience. Use Magic Canvas to create unique wallpapers with a simple text prompt, or Style Sync to design a theme based on your outfit. Staying connected is effortless with the Razr 50 Ultra. You get support for 5G, Wi-Fi 7, and Bluetooth 5.4, providing fast and stable connections wherever you are. In the box, Motorola includes a 68W TurboPower charger, a USB Type-C cable, a premium protective case, and a SIM eject tool. So, should you buy the Motorola Razr 50 Ultra? If you love unique designs, a compact foldable form, and the ability to interact with the phone without flipping it open, this might just be for you. But if top-tier cameras or a lower price are what you need, you might want to check out other options. If you like this review, hit that like button and subscribe to Tech Eye Reviews for more in-depth tech videos. Let's unfold your potential with the Razr 50 Ultra.